So I've designed something for every electrician and maybe electrician planning on starting their own business or thinking about starting their own business. How much should you charge an hour? How much do you need to charge an hour to make a decent living? This calculator should help you a little bit, at least a ballpark figure, a bit of a guideline. So let's have a little look. So this is what I've sort of put together to try and work out how much you should charge an hour. And yeah, I've done it as a 40-hour week because at least you're going to work as a minimum of 40 hours. You might work over. That means you earn more money. Fantastic. And it's only 46 weeks of the year. Who works all year? You got to have a holiday. You're entitled to a holiday. You work hard. So we do it as 46 weeks. You might have more holiday, depends how much you earn. But your fuel costs. So if you put in this little table here, say you're going to spend £100 a week on fuel. Your van cost, have you got like a hire van? That might be £250 a month to hire it. Your insurance for your van, that's going to cost you what, 66 quid a month. Public liability, work it out monthly. What is it, 250 a year? So say it's, I don't know, 60 quid a month. That's a bit much, isn't it? It's not going to be that a month. Say it's £25 a month. I don't know, I pay yearly. Say it's £25 a month. That's for your public liability. That'll cover your public indemnity and that as well. And your Part P, that's going to be, I don't know, that's going to be about 35 quid a month, is it? I'm trying to work this out monthly. Well, let's say 40 actually. That's going to be more. Depends who you're with. Your software, you could be paying a bit on software. I don't know whether you've got Traderify or something like that. You could be paying sort of, I don't know, say £15 a month for that. Your accountant might cost you, thought, 30 quid a month if you're going to use an accountant. Yeah, about 360 is right to do your tax return a year. Your computer, well, it might need repairing, it might need updating, you might need to get a new one. So let's say that starts £25 a month. Your workwear, you need to look smart. So you need to give yourself some decent workwear. So let's say £15 a month. That'll add up over time. If you add that's £180 a year, will enough to give you some new kit, like a new hat, a jumper, I don't know, some new boots. Right, your calibration, you can't do without this. You need to calibrate. You get your kit, your test kit calibrated, and that's going to cost you around, I don't know, depends how many kits you got. So if you've got two kits, it's going to be about £100. So let's say, actually, let's knock that down to 15 quid a month. Your van tax, nothing you can do about that. That's sort of 40 quid a month, I think, of mine is. I can't remember, but that's about right. Your van maintenance, you want to put a bit, you need new tyres, you need oil, you need servicing. So that's going to be, put yourself away £25 a month. That'll cover you 300 quid for a service a year. Your phone bill, that's monthly. That's going to be at least 30 quid, I think, with your free stuff. Right. I hope we can go down just a little bit. Uh, yeah, 30 quid in there. You want to get your cost of coffee, say you get one of them a month, that's a fiver. This is just going to the extreme, I know. And obviously to subscribe to YouTube, to the Toolbox Talks for Electricians channel, that's going to cost you a fiver a month. So that'd be fantastic if you did that. 60 quid a year, nothing, especially if you learn some good tricks on this channel to make some more money. And how much do you want to earn a year? 30 grand. Yeah, you can do that employed. Come on, you might as well aim high. Say you want to earn around 50 grand a year. Then you're going to need to charge your hourly rate out at £33.50p. I don't know many electricians that charge that, but you can get away with that for 50 grand a year. You can earn 50 grand a year by covering all your costs as well, because your costs are going to be £11,000 a year. That's a lot of money. So ideally, you're going to earn in your pocket around 39 grand a year. Okay, so maybe we want to earn a bit more than that. So let's change it. So let's change the yearly earnings. I want to go all out. I want to earn 100 grand this year. Why not? So you've got to charge yourself out at £60 and 67p. That's a good guiding figure. And that's not, this is just a little bit of, I don't know, a bit of guidance, because you put 20% on your materials and I don't know. Sometimes you get the job done quicker. You quote for 5 hours, but you might get it done in two, stuff like that, but you still get paid. But yeah, this is sort of just a bit of a guidance to say what you should charge yourself out as. You can calculate a job up to see, yep, that'll take me 5 hours. And you can say, yes, I'll charge £60, £67 an hour. Well, if you continue doing that on every job, then you're going to be in the ballpark figure of 100 grand a year, possibly more. So it's a good idea, guidance for what you should be charging yourself out as with all your outgoings. Because the last thing you want to do is but say, yeah, I'm going to earn 20 grand a year. I don't know any electrician that earns 20 grand a year. You can get away with charging £17, 19 pence. If you're gonna if you want to earn 20 grand a year, get a job in Aldi, Tesco's, Sainsbury's, something like that, stacking shelves. You could do that quite easily. So 20 grand a year, you could do that. So yeah, aim high, at least 55, say. Let's say 55 grand a year. £36.21 an hour. Perfect. I'm going to leave a link in the show notes below of this. So you can download this yourself, have a little play, and see what hourly figure that you might want to have a go with, or you might want to sort of charge your customers to make your time here being an electrician worth it. Because you know all these skills, you've done all these qualifications, you've got to get paid for them at the end of the day, let's be honest. And if you also check in the show notes below, there'll also be a link to an auto invoice. Because if you don't sign up to these Traderfine, all these apps that do your invoicing for you and do it yourself, there's a little bit of a helping hand spreadsheet as well. So check that out, and I'll see you again in the next video.